Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Cody Jason, Tarlac in the Philippines. Today, got my bike in the shop again. It is a rainy day. The throttle is sticking, so I brought it here to the mechanic, and he's going to go ahead and fix the sticking throttle. And I also bought some new hand grips. Got some nice yellow ones here. Just gonna put them on. So let's see what the issue is here. So he's gonna tear that all apart. I think my lens is a little dirty, but yeah, that's sticking. So he's gonna go ahead and change these hand grips. See, this one's like slid in, so it's got a big space there. Don't like that. This is the NMAX 155. So he's gonna tear that box apart so he can get that handle off. I think it's just been out in the rain a couple too many times, and it gets rain and dirt, and maybe, I don't know if there's rust in there, but see what it looks like once it gets that off. So if you didn't know how to fix this yourself, this is how you do it. You got to get into that throttle cable, probably put some grease in there and clean that all up. This guy's quick. This is actually a relative. So where we are, we're in Camiling, and this is Sablon Motorsports. You guys have seen, I've been here before. So I went to the Yamaha shop. I don't like them. They never want to fix anything on the scene, and he's like, we got to order parts. You have to come back in. I'm like, man, I need my bike. You know, I got things to do, places to go, so I need this fixed right away. So come here, my uncle here, he jumped right on it, and he's going to get it fixed. It's $3.50 for the hand grips, and then whatever labor they charge, and then I'll give them a little tip. Let me see if I can get my lens cleaned off a little bit better. Got kind of smeared from the rain. So this is Camiling. This is the main street. This is Kazan Street, goes all the way down. Jollibee down there, you can see that sign. Let's see if we can get this off. I think I got it a little cleaner. Problem is, every bit of me is soaking wet. I got caught in the rain. Yeah, look at that. Got some rust in there. Oh yeah, definitely got some surface rust keeping that thing from spinning. Man, that's a lot of rust. That's what happens when you're in the rain. Let's get that. Oh yeah, work it. We'll get this cleaned off, get some grease in there, I'm sure. Stay tuned. So that thing's just supposed to naturally ride on that, so we put some oil in there. See how easy it moves now. So this is an NMAX sticking throttle fix. That's what I would say. You see, it does have some grease in there from the throttle cable there. Get these old dirty the hand grips placed. Yeah, that's what it was. It was that rust buildup in there, causing that thing from spinning freely. Guys didn't know how to fix this, now you do. I didn't want to mess with it. Figured for the price and getting new hand grips, I'll just pay, let the professional do it. This guy's really good. He does all my repairs. Look at that, nice. All right, let me get him the new grips. Putting the clip back in place for the two cables there. So.
Sir, what do you call Skylar?
Huh?
Skylar, what do you call them?
Butchoy. Butchoy, yeah. So that little clip holds those two cables. So one would be a throttle cable.
In Tagalog, Filipino, bayaw.
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 Fancy hand grips. Clean his hands off. Get those put on. So I got a video coming out tomorrow about the drama that's happened, the drama that's been going on at the farm. I'll just give you a spoiler. I hate thieves. There ain't nothing in this world that I hate more than thieves. Thieves, liars, and cheats. So stay tuned for that video coming out tomorrow. I'll go over what's happened, where I've been, what's been going on. So stay tuned for that. So today I just wanted to get the bike fixed so I can run some errands. Yeah, it kind of scared me. I jumped on it and went to get on the highway, and I hit the throttle and it stuck. It was stuck wide open. So now that we got that fixed, let's see what this looks like. Oh, he's gonna cut the end of that, I think, to make that fit. So we'll be right back. I'll just show you guys what it looks like. You've seen how to do the repair, so I'll show you what it looks like once it's all finished. He's gonna, I think he needs to cut that rubber on the end so that will slide in. Do a little trim in there. If I went to Yamaha, they would have charged probably 3 times the price because of the dealership. But I like it down here. They have a lot of parts, a lot of stuff. So let's see what it looks like when it's all finished. Look at that. Would you look at that? Well, guys, so total price, it was $350 pesos. That included the hand grips, the installation, fixing the throttle cable. I think they undercharged me really, so I went ahead and gave the mechanic 150 tip. So total price, in and out the door, 500 pesos. What's that, like $9? So yeah, cheap fix. I'll show you what they look like. And this is why it gets rusted. Parking in the rain. Park in the rain, you're gonna get water in there, it's gonna rust. Sitting here at 7-Eleven. It didn't start raining until I parked and walked in the door. So I got me a lemonade. Yeah, they put the 7-Eleven in, and it's hurting the business of all these little shops. But I heard they're putting an O-Save in right there. So that'd be great to have an O-Save kind of close to our house, you know, driving distance anyways. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Hope you enjoyed the video. I am back. I'll start making some videos. Like I said, stick around tomorrow. I'll put out that update. So until next time, peace.